It's going to be fun this weekend, too, because it's a homecoming for a Northwest Ohioan. Brendan Furry is 419 raised and St. Francis molded. He's making a new home for himself in Mankato with the best team in the country.
Coming out of high school, St. Francis grad Brendan Furry thought he was going to head down I-75 and suit up for the Bowling Green State University club hockey team. Fast forward 6 years later, and this Toledo native is a fixture for the nationally ranked Minnesota State Mavericks.
After high school, I was going to go play club hockey and, just call it quits. And I got the opportunity to go and play Bell Tire. And then after Bell Tire, made a junior team. I went and played in Omaha for a year and a half, and Tri-City as well. And then I was fortunate enough to talk to the great coaching staff here, and they offered me an opportunity. And it's been an unbelievable experience here. It's my second home, and everything here from top to bottom is a world-class organization.
I'll give most of the credit to my recruiting coordinator, Todd Canot. He's got a great eye. And then really just, Brendan's, he's special in a lot of different areas. You can talk on the rink, but I'll talk off the rink. He's had a lot of adversity through injuries and different things that have gotten in his way. And instead of just going around him, he's gone right through him. And it served him well. He's doing an outstanding job for us this year, leading by example, obviously having a successful season as an individual. And I think his best hockey's in front of him, and I'm not just talking this year. I'm talking the National Hockey League. I think if he can stay healthy and continue with what he's doing, he's got a bright, bright future.
I took that freshman year off. I had to sit out the transfer year, and then go into that role last year as a sophomore, taking some steps. And then this year coming in, I really wanted to be a leader for the guys, the young guys, a mentor, what it takes to play here, play our kind of hockey. So I really instilled that into my game, and he's done a lot just sitting down with me and, helping me develop some of those leadership skills. So, like I said, it starts from just this program is fantastic. Everyone helps each other, and it's unbelievable.
The word that everybody throws around now, and I'm going to tell you, we benefited because of young men like Brendan, is culture. They set your culture. They drive your culture. They provide examples for what to do when things aren't going well, and that's when you need their support. And so he's made an impression from day one. He continues to get better every year, and very happy, very proud that he's wearing our jersey.
You can catch Furry back in the 419 the first week of February when the Mavericks are in town to take on the Falcons in a CCHA weekend series. In Mankato, Minnesota, Claire Dow, BCSN.